Hi guys! So this is BP Bummer Sheep, and I know my channel is about slime, but today we're making an exception, and we're gonna make some other exceptions. And for this time, we're doing BP Bummer Sheep. So let's get started. And my brother's gonna do the motions behind the camera. Bet you will not see me. Come in.
Does one beat like a sheep? Take it away, Gabe. Throw your hands up and point them to the floor. Here's what to do, now get down all fours. Just bounce around, it's easy for me. Go crazy now and beat like a sheep. So, you know how to beat like a sheep, I see. But, is that all you can do? Throw your hands up and point them to the sky. Drop to the floor and move from side to side. Just bounce around, you wanna show your how. Go crazy now, now you're like a cow.
You're almost there to Superstar, Nicholas. So close to Superstar. Okay, so let's see how much things you get. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down. So close. So close. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye. And be sure to watch our next video. Put a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye.